everyone, I'm Casey Gross with AXYZ CNC routers.
Material handling should support production, not slow it down. Meet the AXYZ LOADLINE family. Solutions designed to make sheet loading safer, more consistent, and more efficient. Starting with LOADLINE ASSIST. LOADLINE ASSIST is a standalone, operator-controlled system that helps one person lift, move, and place heavy sheet material safely and consistently. Designed for compatible sheets weighing up to 150 pounds, it uses a wireless remote to control left, right, up, and down movement throughout each loading cycle. For added safety, the vacuum switch is positioned directly on the boom. The release button and vacuum gauge are located on the same panel, keeping the key vacuum controls within easy reach. LOADLINE ASSIST is completely wireless, battery-powered, and equipped with a built-in compressor. A full charge delivers up to 500 loading cycles, whereas a 3-hour quick charge provides up to 150 cycles. Battery status is also available through the companion app. This gives one operator the support needed to load material efficiently without waiting for a second pair of hands. LOADLINE ASSIST can integrate with machines that have a bed height of up to 35 inches. It supports 4x4, 4x8, 4x10, and 5x10 foot sheets. Its working range can access multiple skids and multiple CNC machines. Different compatible materials can be staged separately, allowing the same LOADLINE ASSIST system to deliver the right sheet to the right machine as production needs change. The vacuum cups secure, lift, and place the sheet onto the machine bed. The operator then completes final positioning against the machine's pop-up pins. From closed cell foam, plastics, melamine, and metal, to signage, packaging, woodworking, cladding, and HVAC applications. LOADLINE ASSIST reduces labor strain, improves loading consistency, and helps keep production moving. When the application calls for longer, heavier sheets and a more automated process, LOADLINE HD is built for the job. LOADLINE HD is a guided, heavy-duty automated loading system for sheets weighing up to 500 pounds and measuring up to 16 feet long. Its high-capacity cantilever supports large format panels throughout the loading cycle. Anchored linear guides provide stable, repeatable movement from the material stack to the CNC machine. At the stack, a built-in sensor identifies the top of the material. As sheets are removed and the stack height changes, LOADLINE HD automatically readjusts its pickup height for the next cycle. Safety logic coordinates the loader with the CNC router. A loading cycle will not begin unless the gantry is in a safe position and clear of the loading area, helping prevent interference between the two systems. Once the area is clear, LOADLINE HD lifts the sheet, travels along its anchored track, and positions the material over the machine bed. It automatically corrects angular and positional misalignment to the pop-up pins before machining begins. The system can be configured for front or rear loading to suit the production layout. It can also be configured to service 2 CNC routers positioned along the same travel axis. One LOADLINE HD system can deliver material to either machine, helping streamline material flow and support a more efficient production cell. LOADLINE HD can handle ACM, HPL, aluminum plate, fiber cement, closed cell foam, melamine, plastics, metal, and other compatible non-porous sheet materials. For cladding manufacturers, construction companies, signage producers, HVAC operations, and other high-throughput facilities, the system helps reduce loading downtime, manual handling, and positioning errors. The result is smoother material flow, more consistent loading, and greater machine utilization. Visit AXYZ.com to learn more and request a demonstration.
Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.